an apartment designed for your personal and passive income. Welcome to Carmen Creek. If you're just watching me for the first time, please remember to like, share and subscribe on my YouTube page. And remember to watch this video to the end. And if you have any comment, please put it down on the comment section. I'll be there to respond. My name is Amara. This property is located in between VGC and Ikota, adjacent the popular Mega Chicken restaurant and 2 minutes away from the Lekki Express Road. We all know that properties within this environment are in high demand. So when you see an opportunity like this, you grab one ASAP. This property is coming from a highly credible developer who has built and delivered several structures to investors, which means your investment is surely guaranteed. Record shows almost all the units are gone. However, we still have 2 unit types here, which is more reason for you to grab one immediately as it is hot in the market and almost gone. We still have 1-bedroom apartment for 50 million naira and 2-bedroom apartment for 73.5 million naira. Come on board, you have to make an initial deposit of 30% on each unit and also coming with a very flexible plan of 12 months for 2-bedroom apartment and 6 months for 1-bedroom apartment. The delivery time of this property are as follows. The 1-bedroom apartment will be delivered in December 2025 and the 2-bedroom apartment will be delivered by June 2026. Here is the interesting part about this apartment. This apartment will be delivered to clients as shell. This is because oftentimes clients have different tastes of interior design. Now you've been given the opportunity to design your interior according to your taste and style. All the external work will be done by the developer. External work like the external doors, external windows, external painting, external piping, plastering, and so on. All this will be done by the developer. However, for the interior, it will be coming as shell, exactly what you are looking at. Furthermore, clients can request for company to finish their interior. This is a special request, totally different from the agreement, with an estimate of 20 to 30 million naira. However, your cost is dependent on the price of the material as at when requested. This property offers great features like community swimming pool, gym, elevator, constant electricity, clean water, top-notch security, and good road network, which will be fixed. This property is coming with a title, Gazette. I hope I've been able to give an elaborate information on this property. If you have any question or inquiry, please put it down on the comment section, or you can call the number you see on your screen. Until you see me on your screen again, bye-bye.